Hello and welcome to the Infinite Academy. Let's make sentences in simple future tense. I will play. I will play in the garden. I will go. I will go to the shop. He will jump. He will jump high. She will sing. She will sing well. I will finish. I will finish my homework. They will wait. They will wait for the bus. I will obey. I will obey my parents. I will wake up. I will wake up early. Dogs will bark. Dogs will bark at thieves. Ram will help. Ram will help others. He will kick. He will kick the ball. I will earn. I will earn money. She will open. She will open the door. Dad will drive. Dad will drive his car. My friend will call. My friend will call me. I will find. I will find my way. He will give. He will give it to me. I will note. I will note it down. The cat will kill. The cat will kill the rat. She will yell. She will yell at me. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.